Okay, now how we will convert a list to set? So we have a list. Okay, a 10, 20, 30. I will repeat again. So a we have appended two values 10, 40. So when I print a becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 with the duplicate values. Now I want to convert this into a set. I can convert in two ways. One with a set method directly, which is inbuilt method. Okay. So what do you mean by methods? I will tell you. My method is nothing but a set of instructions. A set of instructions. Okay. So now I will tell you what is the method and function difference in further classes. We will see functions in tomorrow class. Okay. Especially we will see functions in tomorrow class. Don't miss the class. Okay. Fine. Now coming back to convert from a list to set. I want to convert a list to set. So I can do a for loop. I can when I can do a for loop, and variable is a iterable. If it is not if it is a just variable, I can't apply a for loop. So let us try. Let us try to declare a is equal to 100. Okay. So now I will try to declare a. So will it run? No. Type error. So it says int object is not iterable. So this is an int object. That's why it is saying that int object is not iterable. So I will say yes. Okay. So will this come? Yes. Now it will come. Why? Because this is a string. String is iterable. Yesterday we saw, right? Yesterday we saw string is iterable, but not other values, right? For loop, to apply a for loop, it should be a iterable. So now I have I'm trying to add to a set from a list. So I can prepare in two ways. One is using set function, another is using from loop and adding to the set. So can I convert a list to dictionary? How I will do that again? How I will do that? How I will do that? So how we will declare a dictionary? So empty dictionary. So D is equal to flower brackets. So now if I want to check the type of a dictionary, type of D. Okay, what do you mean by dictionary? A key value pair. What do you mean by dictionary? A key value pair. Like how I say A is equal to 10. Like B is equal to 20. So this is a simple dictionary. Key value pairs. Now still now what we are seeing? We are seeing a duplicate elements. We are seeing a distinct element. We are seeing now key value pairs. Okay. So now this key value pairs. Now I want to convert my list, which is a list 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 to dictionary. Right. So now how I will do that is the point. Rather than so now we need to convert a list, right? So now in order to do that, so we'll declare an empty dictionary first. So we'll remove that all the crap what we have added. So now we'll declare one more list, which I need to be having as a case. Okay, what is that? I'll say yeah, K, which I will say A B comma C. Right? So now how many values I have? So there we have 5 values. So that's why we'll go to 5 values of E. Okay. So now what I want to do, I want to convert, okay, convert a list A comma K. So will this be possible? I'm trying. Let me try. How many values A have? Okay, we can do anyway. I can do like this and complete it, but whether it's not there. So we can say like this. We can convert a dictionary. Okay, if you want to add that particular another thing, we have another concept called zip. I'll tell you later on. Okay, zip is a function where I can zip two lists and form a dictionary. Okay, we have that capacity also. But for now, what I can say, I can convert the existing one into dictionary or not. Yes, we can convert, but what is the use? I am not saying. Okay, what is the use? I am not saying, but I am telling you we can convert a list into a dictionary, right? So I can convert. So now this is the one we need to see, and how I will convert into a tuple. So I'll say T. This is the empty tuple. So if I print what is the type of T, what it will give you? Class tuple. So what is the difference between tuple and list? Tuple is a immutable one. Immutable one. So now 10, 20, 30, 40 only I can do. But I can't, what do you say? Iterate and add. So now I want to do a tuple creation. I can create only using tuple method. Okay? Tuple method. I can't, what do you say? Iterate. Why? Because tuple doesn't support addition. Okay, it is a immutable data type. Okay, immutable data type. That's the reason we are not doing anything in tuple. We can't add or remove any value from tuple because tuple is a immutable one. So now you see whatever is there in the list automatically it is converted. It is not going to modify anything. Just I want to convert only through the tuple function. Okay, not with a for loop, not with a for loop, because if you want to for loop, I want to trace one by one value and add into tuple. Addition itself is not possible in tuple. So how can I add? Because tuple is a immutable one. Okay, tuple is a immutable one. So now we have repeated all four today, right? All four today. Now we never forget. We will never forget what data types. We'll never forget the data types. Okay, are you clear? We are clear. So now let us consider. So now if you observe, no one asked me when I'm writing a function, a for loop, I have an indentation here. I have an indentation. If I don't give an indentation, what will happen? If I write like this, what will happen? It's giving you already error. So what happened? An indentation error came. An indentation error came. Why? So whenever you start such kind of for loops or functions, you should have an indentation in Python. Without indentation, if you are going to write a program, vector will show error and program will also not run. And it will give you a indentation error. So whenever you get an indentation error, it's obviously understood that you have done a mistake of giving an indentation in the programming. Okay, you have done a mistake of giving an indentation in the programming. Indentation means four spaces, one tab space. Clear? Are you clear?